The Black Iron Amada 1000A Replacement Guide Kit contains 4 precision machine carbide side guides, and it replaces Amada part numbers 1297064, 65, 66, and 67, and it's designed for 3 1/8 Amada machines like the H1080, 1000, 1100W, 1300, and 1600. Now this kit is a complete set of 4 side guides. Now the main difference in this kit is that you're going to have 2 variants, 2 coolant channels and then 2 flat guides, as well as 2 pin-ons and then 2 screw-ons. You just need to make a note during the deinstallation where the coolant channels were and which side was pin-on and screw-on. That way when you get your new black iron kit, installation is straightforward and seamless. Now this kit does not include a set of backup guides. If you're needing a set of backup guides for your machine, you'll have to purchase them separately. You can always refer to your owner's manual, or you can contact us if you're needing help finding the correct backup guides for your particular machine. Now, carbide side guides are mounted on either side of the blade where the guide arm contacts the bandsaw blade, and it is their job to support and guide the blade through the cut. Every black iron carbide guide is CNC machined and silver brazed for matched accuracy and quality, and it's that silver brazing process that creates an extra durable bond between our machine guide bodies and our top grade tungsten carbide, providing a reliable and durable product. Now, black iron guides also feature factory spec coolant channels and chamfered slots, returning your saw back to like new cutting performance. And of course, all of our guides go through a surface grinding process that creates a good uniform contact patch against those carbide pads to the blade. Now, installation is straightforward because this kit is a direct replacement. All black iron guides are only sold as complete kits. This ensures the customer has what he needs to increase his blade life and his production. It is also a way that keeps the overall cost of the kit up to about 40% lower than most manufacturers' parts. You know, in some cases you can purchase the entire kit for less than a single guide from the manufacturer. When you upgrade to the Black Iron Guide Kit, you will lower your repair cost, upgrade your machine with far superior parts, increase blade life, and of course, increase those machine production times. So, the choice is an easy one. Black Iron Guide Kits makes the finest replacement parts in the industry. I'm Austin Zimmerman, and thanks for watching.